jeans, chain clank, but now she thinks she hear things. I just counted up 100 bands, but all my dogs at the Airbnb.
Hello YouTube, we're back again with 13 stock patterns that I can't forget. Last video we discussed the pennant. Well, I got a little bit into detail on the pennant. We were talking about the significant movement in stock, and this is it's a period of consolidation that makes the pennant, which is here, which is like converging the resistance and the support. If you can see, basically, I'm not gonna get too much into detail with it. I'll cover it in the future more so. But I would discuss like what I would recommend for trading the pennant pattern. Again, you could. Okay, this is the significant movement in the trend, and again, you could sell here, which is, oh, 1 second, sorry about that. Selling high, and then, it would bounce off the support, and then, okay, here we go again. Come back up, touch the resistance, come back down, bounce off the support. You should already have like your trend line set up, like just seeing from like your support, like when it hits, basically like, sorry, I'm a little sluggish, I'm a little tired, I apologize, forgive me. Yeah. Basically, I'm still a beginner, so just be patient with me. But again, I would buy in here. Buy in here at the support. That's again after it hits the resistance. When it comes back down, I would buy in here, and then what I would recommend is putting a little bit more money into it once it hits this point. As you can see, you can't see, but once it hits the breakout, I would recommend adding more of my money into it. That's a great way to trade the pennant pattern. I'm still paper trading this pattern, but it's a great way. I'm gonna try to learn as much as I can and then apply this to TD Ameritrade or SureTrader. Let's get out of this. The second one is a cup and handle. I'm not too familiar. I'm sorry, I look really ruggish. I'm not too familiarized with the cup and handle, but in the future I hope to, understand this pattern more. Basically, a cup and handle pattern gets its name from the obvious pattern it makes on the chart. The cup is curved U-shaped, while the handle slopes slightly downwards in general. So the right hand side of the forgive me, a little sluggish. I'm gonna try to explain it so you like understand like how to get the where to trade the pattern, understanding it, but you really want to know like where to buy in and to sell, like where to get into position. You don't want to be too early, too anxious, or to time it. You really want to watch this pattern. So yeah, it does look like a cup if you could just see like here, cup. I don't have my pointer on me. It's a cup, and you also see the handle. No obvious. Yeah, the handle is sloping slightly downward. So it's pretty self-explanatory about seeing it within the on the platform. When you see it on the platform, it's like it's crazy. It's pretty understanding. But to get into like the I don't know, to get into a position on, you know, like Dgaz or Ugaz, you would have to, you know, let's see. I'm not sure, like, if are these swing trading patterns as well, because I'm gonna be intraday trading, but I'm gonna avoid the pattern day trading rule, which is like you need more than 25 grand in your account to day trade. But I'm sorry, I keep bouncing around. So then again here I see like has low trading volume, and it can last from 7 weeks up to around 65 weeks. So I'm not sure. This may be swing trading, you know, swing trading patterns basically. That's what I'm guessing. I think, yeah, swing trading. I won't be participating in any swing trading, any swing positions. So let's get on to another basic, the ascending triangle. This is another one, kind of resembles the pennant a little bit. Ascending triangle, let's get into it. The triangle usually appears during an upward trend and is regarded as a continuation pattern. It is a bullish pattern. Sometimes it is created as part of a reversal at the end of a downward trend, but more commonly it is a continuation. Ascending triangles are always bullish patterns whenever they occur. Sorry, like I want to get the point across so you understand what this is. Like I know I could just read it. Let me kind of. So this is a continuation pattern in the market. Like this is a basic pattern. Basically, it's a continuation of a uptrend pattern, or it could be a reversal at the end of a downtrend. So like the slope, look, I don't have my pointer on me, but if you look where it kind of makes the triangle, where it bounces, where it converges, so you see the slope, and then where it converges between, you know, the support and resistance, all of that. Basically, it could be switched, which is what I'm trying to get to. And the slope could be negative, you know, not well negative, but a falling trend or a descending trend, a bearish, if so to speak. Basically, in a bearish, I guess, how do I say this? Bearish trend. This would be a reversal, downward trend, basically. But more commonly, well, like as it says here, it's a continuation. More commonly, like it's like bullish and bearish, two different things. Right here is a bullish. So when you see this in a bull and like a bull, you know, the two horns, you imagine like sorry, it's rising. The trend is rising. Um, Basically, you're supposed to love bulls. I'm sorry, I'm a beginner, but I'll get better. But this is another basic pattern, the ascending triangle. Basically, you can do what you did again for the pennant. Um, Basically, it depends like where you want to buy in. Like if I was riding this upward trend, and you see where it forms the trend line for the triangle on the breakout, I would sell there, and then it would consolidate and hit the support, and then um, the resistance, and then it would hit the support again. I would buy in at the second time that it bounces off the support. I would buy in there. Once it hits again the third pillar, or you see where your trend line is drawn, once it hits there, I would add a little bit more money, um, at least a little bit more of my position, so that, you know, you know, I could see a pretty nice return back. I'm I'm gonna make a video also on sales, like sale limits, like what different orders, like, you know, order types to be to place on your position. But that's all for today. I'm gonna try to get in more of this stuff, you know, make a long video or collage about all of these different patterns. But I guess I'll count number 3 as number 2 because um, I don't really usually see these in intraday. Because I'm an intraday trader, you know. I'm sorry, I apologize. I was busy looking elsewhere. But this will be our second basic beginner's guide pattern, the ascending triangle. I'm gonna just go over everything. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm gonna do the 13, do more videos, and then I'm gonna go to TD Ameritrade, and I'm gonna apply it. Like, I'm gonna learn all this stuff. But it's gonna be nice. I'm trying to hopefully be, you know, pretty decent by 21. Hopefully YouTube does not ban this video, but I mean this channel. But thank you guys.